Hi everyone, I'm coming to you today with something different. I'm not taking a break from pastels. I'm still going strong with them every day. But as many of you know, I love to work in lots of different mediums. They all inform one another, swim together to feed creativity and improve your painting. With all the events swirling around us, I've been gravitating to simplicity and calm. My sketchbook is that place, so I decided to do a watercolor sketching workshop. Why watercolor sketching? It's personal permission work, separate from other work. It can be very, very private. It's a place to doodle and maybe not be quite so serious. You get to spend time just looking. You can put memories on paper and maybe even leave a legacy. It's really engaging and you can just get lost in it. You can experiment and try stuff out, and you'll just get better at drawing. I think keeping a sketchbook is one of the most rewarding and nourishing things an artist can do for themselves. Watercolor is something you can do at your kitchen table. You don't need a separate space, and it will definitely help your painting. Drawing is important even for the landscape painter. You don't need a lot of expensive materials. It's really affordable. This workshop includes over 6 hours of high-quality video instruction, a great study guide. You'll be approved to join the Watercolor Sketching Facebook group, where you can share your work with me and other students taking the course, which is really fun. You'll have 24-hour access to all the videos. You can work at your own pace, safely from the comfort of your own home, from any device. You probably already know that we really pride ourselves in quality video instruction and great customer support. I hope you try some watercolor sketching along with me. I really think you'll love it.